Classic car liquidators. I did a dealership tour on this place in Sherman, Texas, maybe 2 years ago. You might look at it. So this is a really cool place, or at least it was in the past. And so just giving you an idea that they usually have a lot of cars lined up out front. They are so full. The garage is seriously busy. And they have always got a ton of cars in the building that are ready to be sold and are extremely beautiful. Yet, went there over the weekend to meet up with Kurt Winters and to take a look around. Nope, facility is burned down. And, well, gosh, it's gutted. Where did they go? Reportedly to the Sherman Airport, municipal airport, I suppose. So, anyway, good luck finding them, and good luck finding any news reports. I didn't see any. Bye.